Which substances pollute air? The toxic gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon monoxide. These are often released by the engines of vehicles like trucks and buses. Sometimes they may come from natural sources like smoke and dust arising from forest fires or volcanic eruptions. These gases can make healthy people sick and sick people even worse. They affect your eyes and throat. In some cases, they can permanently damage your lungs and even cause cancer. Have you heard of smog? Smog is made up of smoke and fog. Smoke generally contains oxides of nitrogen and other air pollutants. The smog causes breathing difficulties such as asthma, cough, and wheezing in children.